General GMP Rules, Record Completion. Record Completion Rules. All entries must be legible and easy to read. All entries must be made using permanent ink. If there are any blank spaces on a record, draw a diagonal line through them. Insert the letters NA and initial and date the entry. If an incorrect entry is made, draw a line through the entry, make the correction, write the reason for the correction, and date and initial it. The original entry must remain visible. All parts of a record must be completed in full, as the associated tasks are performed. If records are completed later, information may be left out or entered incorrectly. Only authorized forms can be used to record data. It is not permitted to transfer information from rough notes. Sample storage. It is important to store samples under the correct storage conditions. Samples may be light, temperature, or moisture sensitive and must be stored correctly, for example, in a storage cabinet or refrigerator. Samples that are not stored correctly may degrade and give inaccurate and invalid test results. Sometimes sample segregation is also required. This could be for chemical incompatibility reasons or because the sample poses a contamination threat to other materials and samples or to people. The correct storage conditions for a particular sample will be specified in the relevant SOP.